Hey there! In this video, I will show you exactly how to fix Roblox failed to load library SensAPI.dll error on PC. First of all, open up the dll-files.com website. Once you get into its website, click on the search bar and search for SensAPI.dll. Then, in your search result, click on the SensAPI.dll file name. After that, you can download its zip file according to your system type. I'm going to download the 64-bit version of the zip file. Once you click to open the file, it will take 5 seconds to start the process. Then, open up the file manager and go into the download folder. You'll find the zip file you just downloaded. Click to open the file. After that, drag and drop the sensapi.dll file to your desktop. After that, open up the drive where your Windows files are stored. Then, click on the Windows folder and find the System32 folder in here. Now copy the SensAPI file from the desktop and paste it here in System32. After loading the file into your Windows, click on the Windows search bar and search for Settings. Once you get into the settings, click on Windows Update and make sure your Windows is updated to its latest version. This process will help you fix Roblox failed to load library SensAPI.dll error. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel.